Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the watch face down on a soft cloth so you don't scratch it. Use the spring bar tool to compress the spring bar at the lug. You'll feel its tension release. Once the bar clears the hole, gently lift one end with tweezers and remove it. Make sure to keep any tiny screws or pins in a dish. These parts are easy to lose and are necessary to reattach the strap later. Now you'll split the bracelet by pushing out the link pins in the arrow direction using a pin pusher or thin punch. Steady pressure avoids bending the pins. Carefully remove the clasp by unscrewing or prying up the tiny locking plate, because it often conceals the last link. Once a link is free, set it aside in order. This preserves the original sequence so you can rebuild the bracelet to the same geometry when reinstalling. To finish, check the spring bars, pins, and clasp for wear. Replace any bent or stripped pieces so the strap reattaches securely. Reassemble in reverse. Reinsert pins, compress spring bars into lug holes, and test closure and fit before tightening screws fully. If a pin won't budge, stop and apply a drop of penetrating oil, wait 10 to 15 minutes and try again. Forcing it risks damage. If problems persist, consult a watchmaker to avoid ruining the case or bracelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.